Gotta get my birds on.
Did you think it was worth it?
How many people are even going?
Yeah, 150.
Oh, that's a good deal.
Mm-hmm. It just fits in my old iPad case. Yeah.
Yeah?
Deadline's today.
This
Seriously?
Yeah.
Well, not exactly. Yeah. Angry Birds.
Nice one.
Just kill the pig dudes, I guess. I guess. I mean, it's okay. Google Android OS on here, I'd be a lot happier. I showed up at Best Buy at 8 a.m. just to get one.
Good.
No, Olsen twins. No.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let's go down.
Yeah, it was pretty sweet.
What
It was not that bad, so.
Yeah. It's a sign.
It's exactly like what I thought. First time I heard Olsen.
Oh no, that's so awful. Oh my gosh.
I'm just kidding, man.
Pissed.
Dude, I'd be pissed too.
Show some enthusiasm after making a shot like this.
What?
That's just cool.
Yeah. Wow.
There's one more reason not to.
Yeah, that's sweet. What? I'm just wearing a hat. Huh? Really? Yeah, I actually have to sometimes then. My hair always grows fast.
We're going to be asking.
On your shoulder.
What?
Here's a
Let's
taste
see if it
of some
was,
of our favorites.
if it was there. Yeah, right.
Oh my gosh. What is that?
Oh, I think so. It was down like
Oh,
here or
dang
something.
it.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet.
Sure, but
Come on.
I don't really get it.